Build Zimbabwe Alliance.
Yes.
Is it a pressure group? Is it a political party?
No, it's a political party. So the way it started, you remember, the way it started was that we lent our voice to what was going on in the country in the past couple of years. And at that time when the protest movement in this country was at its infancy, really, and we saw the response of the government to people just demanding their democratic rights or trying to hold their government accountable, that the response was draconian, and the protests of the people were criminalized. So we started lending our voice to that early on, and then it continues just building up, and we started realizing that it's one thing to just lend your voice.
Yeah.
It's another to really say, I really want to be part of the solution in more ways than just protesting. So in October of 2016, we actually registered as a political party, and we've continued to build up, talk about what our plans are in the communities and so on. So yeah, here we are today.